Hello dear friends, this video is about convert images to Ascii art in Linux. So let's start the video. Open your terminal. First we need to install an snap application. So use command sudo snap install ascii-image-converter. Use this command. Okay, it's installed, and now I want to convert this Linux image to a Ascii art. Okay, let me open again the image. Okay, now we need to run this application. Use command snap run ascii-image-converter. Finally, we need to specify the location of image. It was in my download. Okay, as you can see, this Linux image changed to this image in my terminal. Okay, let me show them beside each other. And is it like the original image? Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if this video was helpful, and watch the other videos. Thanks.